Bougainvillea is a genus of flowering plants native to South America, from Brazil west to Peru and south to southern Argentina. Different authors accept between 4 and 18 species in the genus. The plant was classified by Europeans in Brazil in 1768 by a French botanist accompanying French Navy Admiral and explorer Louis-Antoine de Bougainvillea. They are thorny, woody vines growing anywhere from 3 to 24 feet tall, scrambling over other plants with their hooked thorns. The actual flower of the plant is small, but each cluster of the 3 flowers is surrounded by 3 or 6 bracts with the bright colors associated with the plant, including pink, magenta, purple, red, orange, white, or yellow. Bougainvilleas are popular ornamental plants in most areas with warm climates. Although it is frost sensitive and hardy in U.S. hardiness zones 9B and 10, Bougainvillea can be used as a houseplant or hanging basket in cooler climates. In the landscape, it makes an excellent hot season plant, and its drought tolerance makes Bougainvillea ideal for warm climates year-round. They're not too fussy about soil type, but it must drain freely. A mixture of loam and organic compost work into the native soil is what they like. Bougainvillea has a high salt tolerance, which makes it a natural choice for color or coastal regions. As a woody, clambering vine, Bougainvillea will stand alone and can be pruned into a standard, but it is perfect along fence lines, on walls, in containers, hanging baskets, as a hedge, or as an accent plant. Many of today's bougainvilleas are a result of interbreeding among only 3 of the 18 South American species recognized by botanists. Currently, there are over 300 varieties of bougainvillea around the world. This has led to multiple names for the same cultivar and has added to the confusion over the names of bougainvillea cultivars. Bougainvillea pairs well with perennials such as coreopsis and rutabaga. It also pairs well with oleander, Texas sage, or salvia. The bougainvillea flower makes nectar that attracts butterflies, moths, and hummingbirds.